guys, so I'm gonna play crazy games. So here, so wait, so crazy games, crazy games. I'm gonna play Grow Garden. I have so many money out there. So let's get started. Well, it's my favorite. Let's get started. Oh gosh. Oh god, what's this? I will not do that. I said grow a garden. Gosh, it's loading. Here. See now. Why is this zero? Look at this. My money, it's billion. So let's get started. Wait, here. So I have moon blossom, just one. You will be shocked of my bees. They have pets. Look at this. I have your sugar. And look at the boss. It's just 267 million. 6-7. I'm top one. I'm on crazy games. So let's go. Oh gosh. Let's go to I'm gonna give this the still story. Sugar apple. That's my little oxy. So many sugar apple. Got the moon blossom. Oh, it's too short. Let's make them. So let's go. Let's go to the cell. I want to sell my inventory 5 million. Let's go to seeds. Wait. Let's put It's 1 hour left. It's my farm. I have 24 likes. Look at my garden. Hey, where's my oxy? See? Oxy! My gosh. Oh, there's a gold phalanx. So, my gosh. Gold blossom! Hey! Diamond blossom! Let's give this here. Now let's give it here again. So we have 1 million. So let's buy eggs. Rare egg. Wait. I want to plant. Look at my carrots. It's so many. Mango. So, can I please Tagalog because I'm Tagalog? So, hello guys, ito yung mango. Ay, my gosh, nabangga pa nga ako guys. My gosh, yun yung mango collection ko. Ay! Ito na yung mango collection ko guys. Sana kasya pa. Ito natin siya ilagay. Kasya, ayun, kasya. Wow, it's a good oxen! I'm laggy. So, a cherry blossom tree. My cherry blossom. Oh gosh, there's nothing. There's nothing. Let's put it here. Hey! Oh, hey! Spin the wheel. I hope it's carrots, so I have carrots. So many carrots. Yay, I have carrots. Oh, look at my carrots. So many. I get scammed 3 times, but it's okay. Oh my gosh, I need to charge rate. Just more. charger is not too long. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The charger. Oh. I got those. And if you want to join, here's 3FJSD4. If you want to join. Oh my gosh. So boring. Let's go to seeds. Let's go to seeds. No, snowman blossom. If you want a moon blossom, like and subscribe. And I'm gonna face reveal. I got it. No green stuff. It's okay. Carrots, 10 carrots. So here, let's put in here. That's good. That's okay. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna need this. Wait. Ay! I need to buy 40 eggs and 17, 18, 19. Put it in my backpack. We need one more egg. I want here admin just 18 million. Look at me, I have billion because another admin just gave me a 0, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, let's go. Advice. There's more. Hi, there's two. So let's put in my sugar apple and moon blossom. So here to my candy blossom and cherry blossom. I need one more egg. So let's go. Oh my gosh, this is oh my gosh. I cannot message. There's no egg. Oh, it's the admin. Mama Divo, he had 18 million. He don't have a moon blossom. Oh, of course, because that's 35 cents. Of course. 35 million. Hi. I want banana. I want to eat apples and banana. I want to eat apples and banana. Oh my gosh. Hi. I want to go. I'm gonna leave. And so carpet nga. Naka-record. Uy. Kanina pa. That's just my sibling. If you hear that. I think this is I'll be one